Let's now talk about the Instagram live streams in a bit more detail and of course in practice. That's why I created a new account just for this live stream, because I don't want to stream on my business account and just telling people how to use live streams, because then they get confused. This is why I now have this new account, and I click on the plus symbol at the top middle, plus. Here we know I can create posts, stories, reels, but of course also live streams. So I click on the live, which is down here. And on the left side, we now have title, which we can click. Then we have this box. Here we can add a title for the live stream. For example, my first stream, join for a chat, add title. Then this is the title. Perfect. We can cross it out again by clicking this X here. Furthermore, we have this little eye. By clicking, we can decide if this is public or practice. Then anyone can watch and your followers will be notified, which is of course that's what we want. But you can also use the practice mode. Go live by yourself or with others to practice. Nobody will be notified. Perfect. This is what I want if I want to train. In my case, I used my draft, my sample account for things like this, but you could also use this practice mode. Okay. Then here I have my calendar, which is the video title and the start time. Let's stick to start time. For example, it would be we now have, I think, 8:30 or so, let's say at 9 p.m. But it needs more than 1 hour, which means we start at 10. If we want to plan it and give it a title, my first stream, join for a chat, and then we can schedule that. Schedule live video, okay, and then it will start automatically at 10 p.m. Of course, people will notify it, which is good. Okay, this is also possible. Then I have the settings up there, which I can click. Then we have the basic settings also for live, which is the hide live from, so I can blacklist a person that shouldn't see my stream. And I can also click on save live to archive, so that this live will be saved 30 days, which I highly recommend you if you want to use it later for anything else. So please save it, then you can use it for a video or a compilation, whatever. Okay. Now we can click on this button here. Just click. Then the connection checks. Now I'm live. Perfect. Why am I live? Because I can see the title here, which we chose, and click here. Then I see the people, which is me, the host. I see this live tag. And I see down here, we're telling your followers that you've started a live stream. Super. We have the comments. Add a comment. People can comment, hey, and post this. Then I can read it in the chat. I, of course, also have this camera, which means that people can request to join. Then they join this live stream as a shared screen. So this co-op stream I talked about, this is that. So people can easily request to use the showroom with you. We also have this next to it, which is invite to join, which is basically the same, but I can invite somebody. We have this speech bubble here, which is for questions. People can send questions. And we have this share button for writing a message. Okay. At the right top side here, I have also other stuff like this microphone. Then I can mute myself. I have the camera to switch that off for a minute, which is of course important if you are live. And I can also click this, which is the switching of the screen. So then I can easily switch my screen, which is also important. And down below, we have this sparkles. And then you see down there at the bottom, the filter, the animations pops up, which I can then use also for the whole live stream. So this is the art of using a live stream. If I now click on my back button, which I have on my phone, or just using this X up there, I can close the live stream, click on end video, okay, and then discard this media to simply delete it after the live stream, or view in live archive, which I click. Then I can here see the whole live stream as a video as soon as it is processed. So it's still processing. When it's finished, I can look it up here and save it for whatever reason, maybe to create a YouTube video out of it or a TikTok. Yeah, that's it. That's the way how to use live streams. I can also click on share, but if I want to view it, I click on archive and then wait a couple minutes until I see it. Yeah, okay, it's already here. I can now share it, download it or delete it at the bottom of this video. So right bottom corner, download, share or delete. I will delete it. Perfect. And now we are finished with the live streaming.